Hello, my good friends. Today I want to share some very important plants I have at my home, and I will also tell their names and the origin of my plants. The name of this plant is called Dracaena reflexia. This Dracaena reflexia is a tree native to Mozambique, Madagascar, and Mauritius. These plants give lots of oxygen if we install and put inside the home. So I kept these plants as indoor plants in my home. These are all very important plants. Next plants I have with me, Diphyllanthus sequin. This is native to the tropical Americas. This plant is very good. It spreads oxygen for the human beings. Next plants I have aloe vera, which is commonly known by all. But the important is that aloe vera is a succulent plant species of the genus. It originates from the Arabian Peninsula. It grows in different parts of the world. Even came to my house, this aloe vera. That's very important for skin also. And also it gives lots of oxygen. The next plants I have Syngonium phodophyllum. This plant is a species of aroid that is a popular house plant. This is African originates, and it comes here in Tuisong at my house. This is also a lucky plant. And the name of this plant is called Dracaena trifasciata. This Dracaena trifasciata is a species of flowering plant in the family of Asparagaceae, and this is native to tropical West Africa from Nigeria east to the Congo. This is very important house plants and also splits oxygen as well. And the name of this plant is called Dracaena sanderiana. And Dracaena sanderiana is a species of flowering plant in the family of Asparagaceae. This is native to Central Africa. And here I have with me Tradescantia spatacea. This is the oyster plant native to Belize, Guatemala, and southern Mexico, but widely cultivated as an ornamental and naturalized in parts of Florida, Texas, Hawaii, and various oceanic islands. This is very good for everyone that even here in Tuisong village also origin here. It's still alive with me. And I have with me Rosa sinensis, known as commonly as the Chinese rose or Bengal rose. Is a member of the genus Rosa, native to southwest China in Guizhou, Hubei, and Sichuan province. This is also called a rose commonly. This is the decorative plants at my home. And here I have with me Taumatophyllum xanadu. Is a perennial plant belonging to the Aurum family, Araceae, and the genus Taumatophyllum. This plant is native to Brazil, but widely cultivated as a landscape plant in tropical, subtropical, and warm temperature climates. Okay, the name of this plant is called Zephryanthus candida, which commonly used for the decorative purpose only, and with the common names that include Otham, Zephyr lily, white windflower, white rain lily, and Peruvian swamp lily, is a species of rain lily native to South America, including Argentina, Uruguay, Paraguay, and Brazil. The next plants I have with me, Parsley, Portulaca oleracea, is an edible leafy frost tender plant widely used as an herb and salad vegetable. The fleshy reddish stems are densely clothed with lobe leaves that are either green or golden in color, depending on the variety, and grow to 15 to 20 centimeter high. Parsley grows quickly from seed, and leaves are ready to pick in 6 to 8 weeks. The next plants I have Philodendron erubescens. The blessings philodendron or red leaf philodendron is a species of flowering plant in the family of Araceae, native to Colombia. It is a robust evergreen climber growing to 3 to 6 meter, white red stems and heart-shaped leaves up to 40 centimeter in length. Here I have another plant which is called Oxalis triangularis. Oxalis triangularis is commonly called false shamrock. It is a species of perennial plant in the family of Oxalidaceae. It is a native to several countries in the southern South America. This wood sorrel is a typical grown as a houseplant, but can be grown outside in USDA climate zones 8 to 11, preferably in light shade. This is very beautiful plants. We can see the flowers. Next plants I have Euphorbia millie, the crown of thorns. Chryst plant or Chryst thorn is a species of flowering plant in the sparse family Euphorbiaceae, native to Madagascar. Madagascar. The species name commemorates Baron Milius, once governor of Reunion, who introduced the species to France in 1821. This is very important plants and very memorable, also very meaningful. 1821, introduced by the governor of Reunion in France. This is another very beautiful plants I have in the gates and hanging situation. The name of this plant is called Curio Rolleyanus. Curio Rolleyanus Sink. Senecio Rolleyanus is a flowering plant in the daisy family Asteraceae. It is a creeping perennial succulent vine native to the drier parts of the southwest Africa. In its natural environment, its stems trail on the ground, rooting where they touch and form dense mats. Yeah, Curia Rolleyanus. Beautiful plants. Here is another plant tree I have with me. The name of this plant tree is called Codium variegatum. Is a species of plant in the genus Codium, which is a member of the family Euphorbiaceae. It was described by Carl Linnaeus in 1753. It is native to Indonesia, Malaysia, Australia, and the Western Pacific Ocean islands, growing in open forests and scrub. Here is another beautiful flowers flowing I have now. The name of this plant is called Hibiscus rosa sinensis, known colloquially as Chinese hibiscus, also known as Chinese rose, Hawaiian hibiscus rose, mellow and so black plant, is a species of tropical hibiscus, a flowering plant in the Hibiscea tribe of the family of Malvaceae. Okay, the scientific name of this plant is called Devil's plants and also Pedilanthus titimaladois plants, means foot-shaped flower. Foot-shaped flower. This devil's plant is native to the American tropics. It makes a super house plant with its 2 foot about 61 centimeter tall stems, alternate leaves and colorful flowers, which are actually bracts or modified leaves. Beautiful. Next I have coleus plants. The name of this plant is called coleus. It is a genus of annual or perennial herbs or shrubs, sometimes succulent, sometimes with a fleshy or tuberous rootstock, round in the all-world tropics and subtropics. The relationships among the genera Coleus, Solenostemon and Phlectranthus has been confused. Beautiful leaves. The next plants I have here. The name of this plant is called Juniperus rigida. The temple juniper is a species of juniper native to northern China, Mongolia, Korea, Japan, and the far southeast of Russia, occurring at altitudes of 10 to 2,200 meters. The species is also naturalized in the United States. Beautiful plants.